welcome to episode number 133 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Stash Recap May Edition. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You are responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always do your own research. This month I actually had some really nice growth. On my account this month I almost broke 1.5%. My delicious dividend still sits at 25% and Park My Cash is now at 17%. So I'm getting closer, but I still have a long way to go before I get to that target percent of 25%. Then from there I'll move into Real Estate Tycoon, which I'm going to try and get to 15% while still keeping both delicious dividends and Park My Cash set at 25%. Last month my account had a 9.38% return. However, this month I have a total of 10.3% overall growth on my stash account. And in case you're wondering about the single stocks, yes, they're still been untouched. Even though they've been rolling out a lot of single stocks. My calculated year-to-date return sits at 0.61%. I mean, I really would like to see it a lot higher than that, but I've been putting a lot of my money over the last 4 to 5 months into Park My Cash, so I haven't really been able to dollar cost average or bring down the average cost per share for a lot of my other equity holdings. However, this month my account did grow $77. But if you minus the three $20 deposits that I made this month, because there was 3 bi-weekly deposits that were in this month, you get a total net growth of $17, which honestly is a net growth of 1.3%, which is up just a little bit from last month. Last month was a 1.22% increase. Really, it's not all that much, but it's still nice to have some growth on the account. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the account. So on here on the phone, you can see that my portfolio right now is at $1,334. This is up a little bit higher than it was actually on the close of May 31st. My coaching score is 170 out of 200, and we'll look into that a little bit later. But what I wanted to do was show you my delicious dividends is set at 25%, and then Park My Cash, like I was saying, is at 17%. So obviously I got quite a bit more to bring it up to that 25% range that I want it to be at. As far as my balance goes, it continues to climb. I continue to set new highs, so I'm happy about that. But let's go ahead and view the account history. And as we load up the page here and scroll down to the very beginning of May, you can see Park My Cash. I've been reinvesting a lot of my dividends into Park My Cash, really trying hard to get it up to 25% as quickly as possible. $25 or $20 deposit on May 3rd. In which I bought Park My Cash. Uncle Sam paid a dividend. Park My Cash paid me a dividend, in which I bought more Park My Cash. Dividend from Public Works, a 1 month subscription payment for $1. Another dividend from Conservative Mix, which then I turned around and bought some more Park My Cash. You see the kind of routine here: a dividend, Park My Cash, dividend, Park My Cash, all the way up until I get to 25%, of course. Another deposit from Navy Federal for $20, in which I bought some more Park My Cash, and then another dividend from Slow and Steady, and then another $20 deposit on the 31st that I again bought Park My Cash. So that's pretty much the running theme over the last 4 to 5 months has been deposit, Park My Cash, deposit, Park My Cash, deposit, Park My Cash, and it just continues like that until I get to 25%. Kind of boring, I mean, to be honest. It's really not that exciting. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual coach breakdown. I think this might be the old, because I know that they did a update on the actual coach, smart coach. So I still only have 20 out of 50 points here because I don't have auto stash on and I don't have smart save on. And you guys already know those reasons. I've talked about them on the last probably 6 stash recaps. So if you need to go check those out, feel free. But I am excited to see where this account is going to go moving forward. I'm actually really excited to get to 25% on Park My Cash, so that way I can start putting other money into those equities, bringing their average cost per share either down or just having more money in those equities to begin with. It would be nice, honestly, to get another 1.5 or 1.3% return the next month, or actually even maybe above 2%. However, I think because I've literally been putting all my money into Park My Cash, I don't think that growth will actually happen unless the stock market literally explodes. going upwards. Anyways, go ahead and leave it right there. Let's jump to the question of the day, which is, who do you go out of your way to be nice to? Honestly, for me, I really try to be nice to a lot of people, but I specifically try to be nice to my wife. Even though it might not always seem like it, babe. I'm just kidding. I really try to be nice to her and do what she loves and enjoys. I just have my own insecurities, and so sometimes those come out in weird ways. And yeah, anyways, relationship stuff. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, it's been real. Thanks for watching. Like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance, as well as general investing, business edge coaching, post those questions down below. Please don't forget to subscribe right up here and check out my Stash Recap April edition. Check out this video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.